Hi guys, today I'm just going to be answering some frequently asked questions on how to use Signmaster. So I have two questions here that were on my comment section, so I'm going to be answering those questions right now, so just stay tuned. I received a question from KC Daniel. He was asking how to do a contour cutting using Signmaster. So contour cutting using Signmaster is just easily tracing the image, and then the contour lines will just appear after tracing the image. Let me show you an example. I'm just gonna take here a clip. I'm gonna take let's take just a simple one. So I'm gonna take this clip, then I'm just going to put it here. So when you want a contour line from this clip, okay, when this clip appears here like this, you cannot cut it because there are no contour lines. So when you want to have the contour lines to cut this clip on your vinyl cutter, you have to first go trace it. You know how to trace. Just click on this apple, create cut contour, and then the first thing that you need to understand here, this is not an image, this is a vector. So there is a difference between an image and a vector. So when you're tracing a vector, you won't see an option that is asking for adjustments, like for adjusting color, adjusting appearance, or all that stuff. It will just appear like this, like it mostly appear like a text. So when you want to trace this image, fine, you see now there is already a contour line outside the image, a blue line, that's a contour line. But now the only thing that you need to do, you need to click here on keep holes. When you click here on keep holes, it traces everything that's inside, and then you just say accept. So here are your contour lines. You're ready to cut this image. I hope I answered your question, Casey Daniel. If this is really what you want, this is what you wanted to know. And then after this, you're just going to connect your vinyl cutting machine. I'll get to that step when I am ready, but you just need to connect your vinyl cutting machine and then transfer this to your vinyl cutting machine and your vinyl. So I hope I answered your question. And then I received another question from Bill. He was asking how to make a blank square, on Signmaster. So when you want to make a blank square here, you have two options. Your first option will either be importing. Click here on file and then import. When you import, you have to import an image of a blank square, and then you open it here on Signmaster. But unfortunately I don't have an image of a blank square, so I'll show you another example. So what would you do when you want a blank square? You can click here on shapes. Here is a square, and then you draw your square. Make sure that all sides are equal. You must just be accurate. I'm not that accurate. Okay, so here is your square. Then you can just click back here so that you can be able to move it around. So here is your square, and then after you got your square, you can also add something else on the square, but I'm just going to concentrate on the question that Bill asked me. So you're just going to do the same thing. A square is more like a vector, it's not an image. So we're just going to go here, then everything is already sorted over there. There is a line around the square, which is a contour line that is going to be detected by your vinyl cutter. Then you're just going to click accept, and then there is your square. This is your square. This is a blank square. You can adjust it, make it bigger, make it wider, or just make it more vertical. So I hope I answered your question, Bill. Okay, fine guys. Also, I hope I answered your question, KC Daniel and Bill, because I promised that I'm going to be answering these questions. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, someone, if maybe you didn't know how to do what I've just told here, you can now be able to do it on Signmaster. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and thanks for commenting and sharing my videos. It's much appreciated, guys. Thank you very much. Peace.